now. Oh yeah, let's go and pick onions. We have red onions here. I have not put it in the veranda.
What do you want?
I have not systemized my food. Use red onions, it's much better. Okay, cook for the ladies. Show your face. Why are you hiding your face? You're not tired. Bright, if I paid you, how much are you going to how many food are you going to cook for me? How many food? If I paid you, how many food are you going to cook for me? Answer. How many food are you going to cook for me? If I start paying you,
Photo! Hey! No, this one I fake. I'm not just in a rich now.
You don't understand. How many food are you going to cook for me?
Look the money well, I knew. And it's real.
I'm going to give you.
No, you're my senior sister. You're my senior sister. You have to match it. You're quite finish. You go come be fake. This is our fake money. You don't see money with a big rich like this.
This is a new €100.
It's a new one.
How many food are you going to cook for
Bright,
me?
smell am. It's real.
This one I fake.
It's real.
Fake. How many are you going to cook for me? Give me my money now.
It's real.
Big like this.
Yes, for the
It's
new
the
one.
new one. Give me my money. Give me.
How many food do you want me to cook?
How many food are
How many? Money. I bet you're good answer. I want to discuss family with
Bright, sent it.
you.
I said it's real.
Yeah, come back. How many food are you going to cook for me? If you don't need that, give me my money. If you don't need it, give me my money. How many food are you going to cook for me? I want you to be my chef for 3 months. How much is your salary?
How much can you pay?
When you have
1,500.
when you have a rich auntie, this is what you do.
1,500. But you have to cook
No problem.
how many times in a day?
If you say make I dey cook for morning till next day, make I no just sleep.
Did we have an agreement?
Oh, come on, evidence is here.
Yes,
That means
I
are
think.
you going to prepare ogbono soup?
Ogbolo.
That's small thing.
That's good.
How much?
That's 300, 400, 500, 600, 700.
When you are done, we balance the rest.
Exactly.
I balance you.
Don't make I do business.
Like I do so.
I don't dey wait for you for so long. You disappoint me. I just dey laugh because they make me dey laugh. I beg. How much? What kind of food are we going to eat in this house?
We are going to eat it and it's going to make ogbolo soup as well.
My brother, they put that. Wait. What is he doing? Bright, what are you doing? What did you do? What are you doing?
If you want, make I show you.
Bro, what did you do? Do it. Do it again.
Make I show you.
Do it again.
Come and show you first. I don't want calling you. You don't see him.
Ah! I don't go beg again. Give me life contract for this. Carry me, go give me life contract. Not be that.
Sister Dawn, how do you feel?
I feel better.
Like this money not too big for you.
But the money come big. Because he surprised me. It come be like newspaper. People use them as the real one of being as the old one.
Bright, you don't know if I'm going until how many days or how many months. I'll be waiting.
Going where? Huh?
Important is that I want to eat something special.
Made by
You,
sweet younger brother.
by my lovely brother.
May I help you hold this money join the ones that you pay.
You make a 1K now, make me believe. You want to see me that 500.